our 3-compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 35 3/4 inches, a depth of 20 inches, and a height of 41 3/4 inches tall. Measurements for each tub, we have 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Drain baskets will also be included. The distance between the left and right mount, we have 9 inches. And coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.